I would like to show you how to create a seamless surface print design pattern over your fabric with the help of Textura and AI. So what you need to do first is, let's say I've chosen Gemini here. Of course, you can choose Sura or any engine that you like. And I'm just going to copy paste my prompt here. Generate a seamless abstract tie and dye pattern. Create image, of course, and I'll hit play. And there it goes. I've got my abstract tie and dye print as I ask for here. Of course, you can ask for colors, you can ask for any specific items that you want to achieve. I'll go for new material. I'll choose my new print here. And of course, it is too low because it's an AI generate file, but I can mark here 300, which actually makes it change the image size as in other graphic software. I understand, I know it's not a fabric yet, but right here, it actually looks pretty good. Oh my God, I like it. So in that case, the pattern actually looks seamless. Nice, Gemini. If not, as in my previous fabric generation here, surface generation, I've got a pattern that was not seamless. You can always go to the tiling assistant and choose the part that you want to repeat. Choose your pattern, same as we doing for fabrics. I'm going to take this one here and here, and I let the tiling assistant do its magic. Okay, now it's definitely seamless style. I'm gonna hit create material. Once your fabric is ready, it will appear in your library, and you can see here when I open my fabric, I have the old version with the printed tie and dye, fully made, ready for download for every format that you want to use. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip and see you in Textura.